Candace here, and I'm coming to you with my celery juice. I bought this 32-ounce insulated mug from Amazon. So this is what I'm going to be drinking my celery juice out of. Today I started my cleanse. So upon waking up, before my celery juice, I drink 32 ounces of lemon water. It's in the book, Cleanse to Heal. I'll be documenting the whole process from beginning to end. My weight now, my progress now, and then how it is after the 9 days. So, stay tuned. I decided that, just stay tuned. Okay, I decided that I'm going to document the whole thing. But yeah, so today I have the organic and the regular all together because we had some regular in the fridge and I didn't want to waste it. Yeah, so I don't think I'll be getting the organic anymore. I think it'll be way too expensive because I use one bag of the organic, which comes with 2 bunches, and I use one bag of the regular, and this is all I got. So if I would have the organic, I would have to use like 3 bags a day. It'll have to be like 6 bags a day because my husband drinks them as well. So I'll just stick to the non-organic. So this is what I have. Cheers! Still kind of sort of getting used to the taste. But I'm not going to have it for long. I'm just going to finish whatever's in my fridge. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.